Hello, today we are looking at instrument maintenance basics hardware. Instrument comes with hardware and software. We have various types of instruments. We have nuclear based instruments, non-nuclear based instruments. Note that nuclear based instrument comes with radiation. It comes with a source. So when you are working on them, you make sure that you remain the source before you work on nuclear-based instruments. The non-nuclear based instruments don't come with source. They don't come with source. And I would also like you to note that we have hardware and software. Some instrument comes with what? Hardware. And this hardware are made up of electronic components. And we have diodes, we have transistors, we have resistors, we have capacitors, and the like. So you will need to test your electronic components when you're dealing with hardware. You have to make sure that you troubleshoot well, you diagnose well, you trace your fault well, and test and find out where the problem is, and then you get the parts and replace accordingly. So note that once the instrument comes with what electronic components, you will need your digital multimeter to test the electronic component to see whether they are active or inactive, meaning whether they are faulty or non-faulty, because you can see with the eye or with your senses if an electronic component is faulty, depending on the physical appearance. So now if everything looks good, then you need a digital or analog multimeter to test to know the state of those electronic components before you use them in circuits. Good. So you need they are usually screwed. Your instrument are screwed, they are packed, and you need a set of screwdrivers, special tools, maybe align keys and so on to open, depending on the kind of instrument that comes with and the tools that you have. But in this training, once you stick with me, you'll be able to maintain any kind of instrument. So kindly like, subscribe, and comment down below for more videos. So once you have looked at electronic components, you look at what the power cables, the connectors, the test points. So all these are what the hardware. We have the printers, we have the adapters, we have the screen. All these are hardware, and some of them comes with electronic components. So you can have touch pads also coming with this instrument. So please note that when you are looking at hardware aspects, and when the instrument comes and it's not working, being it power supply, screen, monitor, or whichever cables that there is a breaking, you need to diagnose well, because if you don't diagnose well, you replace a part and the system's fault remains the same. That is a hardware fault. You can't use software for a diagnosis to solve it. And if it's not a software fault, you cannot use hardware diagnosis to solve it. So please be patient. Just be patient with your board, be patient with your instruments, irrespective of what type of instrument you are working with. So I hope you have enjoyed this section. We'll have more to look at, so kindly stick and stay for more uploads. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.